Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Paws to your Phantom wallet. If you're using Paws and want to link to Phantom wallet, I'll walk you through the simple step to get it set up. The first thing that you need to do is go to your Paws homepage and then click the Connect to SOL wallet and then click the Phantom option. And here, connect the Phantom wallet and you will be redirected to the app. And after that, click the connect option. And then afterwards, click the confirm. And then that's how you connect Paws to your Phantom wallet. I hope that this video helps you. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.